Good morning to you all. My name is Andy Sane, and this week we will look at the myths about multilingual communication skills coaching. The first myth is that multilingual communication skills coaching is only about learning multiple languages. However, that is only one aspect of it. Multilingual communication skills coaching focuses on much more than just language acquisition and development. Most importantly, it emphasizes cultural awareness, emotional intelligence, negotiation skills, and adapting communication styles to diverse audiences. Whether you are a business or individual, your goal is to create meaningful connections, not just translate words and sentences. How would you rate your multilingual communication skills on a scale from 1 to 10? What could you do to improve your rating?